Welcome to this video on the alligator trading strategy. In this video, we will discuss the basics of the alligator indicator, including how to use it to identify trends and how to apply the indicator to 15-second trading. We will also discuss the pros and cons of using the alligator indicator and how it can be used to identify entry points. Finally, we will do some live trading following the alligator trading strategy. The alligator indicator can be used on any trading platform because of its simplicity. It's one of a few indicators that even a beginner can use. If you want more videos, please smash the like button and subscribe. Our alligator trading strategy can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets. The alligator strategy is a slightly simplified variant of a well-known strategy by Bill Williams. The alligator indicator is a trend indicator that consists of three lines, smoothing moving averages. Bill Williams called these moving averages balance lines because each of them depicts a part of the alligator's mouth. The alligator's jaw, the blue line, the slowest moving average, is a 13-period moving average which is moved 8 bars forward. The alligator's teeth, the red line, the intermediate 8-period moving average which is moved 5 bars into the future. The alligator's lips, the green line, the fastest moving average, it's the 5-period moving average which is shifted 3 bars ahead. To trade with the alligator indicator, you add it to your chart and let settings be default. We don't need to change anything. When you trade our alligator 15-second strategy, make sure you have chart type set to line, screen size to M10. Also change expiration time to 15 seconds. Now let's do some live trading. To trade our 15 seconds alligator strategy, all three moving averages should be trending up or down. Trade lower binaries when it's trending down and trade higher binaries when it's trending up. The best entry point is when price hit the red moving average. So we get a lower entry in AUD CAD with 15-second expiration. And it closed in the money, so a $864 payout secured. We have a buy higher setup here in AUD CHF. A little lucky there, closed just in the money and one more $864 payout secured. Now let's see if we can find another pair that's trending up or down. This chart is not trending good. Not this one either. Not trending. Not this one either. But this chart is trending good. So we wait for price to hit the red alligator line, which is our best entry point. Finally, there's the entry point. So we have had 2 wins and 100% win rate so far. So will this be our first loss? This closed in the money as well and another $864 payout bagged. Even though this has been a no-loss binary option strategy with 100% win rate, that's not actually the case, and you will more likely see a 90% win rate when taking more trades.